Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $3778.05. I have clearly explained you that if you look at the volume is not showing here, but the volume was very high at this level, and what we have seen, there is a narrow pattern has formed, and it was a clear indication that the price can move further upside after crossing a level of 3400, which I have already explained you in my previous videos. Okay, but if it started falling below a level of 3300, we can see there can be a further downfall. Okay, and now the price is continuously moving upside, and you can say that there is a higher chances of further high, because what we have seen, again, three green candles are forming on higher and higher basis. So there is a higher chances further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the day wise chart. I've clearly explained you, and we have seen there is a continuous upside after 3400 because this trend has break towards an upside. Okay, and after crossing this particular level, okay, a level of 3640, I have told you that if the price keeps sustaining over 3640, a further upside also can be seen, because if you look at this, a clear U pattern is being formed. So when the price started going above a level of 3669 after crossing this level, there was a higher chances that it can move above a level of 3700. Okay, now the price has already touched a level of 3793, and if the price moving off this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, and if you look at this, three candles are continuously upside or going higher and higher, creating a pattern showing there can be a further upside movement. Okay, and if you look at the gold price is continuously making all-time high, higher and higher. Okay, and similarly what we have seen, the price of silver is trying to go towards its all-time high. Okay, so this also you have to understand. If you want to watch the silver video, or you have any doubt regarding all these gold, gas, crude, you can mail me regarding that, and any forex pair also. We'll work out on the Zoom as well if you have any doubts, so we can clear out on the Zoom. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, there is a higher chances, but if it started forming a swing, or if it's of any of the day, if we see there is a fall, because if you look at this, there is a continuous downfall. But so if the price, I've told you that if the price sustain above 3640, there was an upside. So the price sustained this level, and then we have seen the price has moved upside. But similarly, if the price comes down again, what we can see, remember that there is a higher chances that whenever it is making new high, we have seen a good fall. Okay, if you look at all these levels, whenever it is making new high, we have seen a fall. Okay, it is coming from a very long time. So you have to understand at some point of time. Okay, the Goldman Sachs is saying that the price can touch a level of $5,000. Okay, at least if we believe for 4,700 or 4,300, there is still some chances. Okay, in 2025 they have said. Okay, now, or some of the people have said that the price can come down towards 3500 also. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, the market is uncertain. So you have to remember that if the price moving up this level, because we mostly say based on the price action strategies. Okay, so now three candles are forming, chances are high. Suppose if the price keep moving up this level, it can touch its all-time high of around $37.93, and once the price sustain this level, keep trailing yourself by $15 to $20. And if you're trailing your SL by $15 to $20, so the price sustain above 3800, a probability of going towards 3820 we can see, and if that sustain, we can see a level of 3850. And once the price moving of this level, probability of touching 3900 we can see, and if the price moving of this level, probability of going towards 3920 can be seen, and then a further upside. But suppose if it started going below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of $37.46, and once the price moving below $37.46, we can see there can be a further downfall towards a level of $37.33. Okay, and suppose if the price falling below $37.33, a further fall can be seen towards $37.12, and if the price falling below $37.12, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of $37.06. Okay, suppose if the price falling below 37.06, these levels, this level, a level of around 37.46, these two levels, we can see a bounce back can be seen. But if that didn't sustain, we can see a level of 37.06. If the price falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of around $36.89. And if the price falling below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards 36.72. Okay, this is what the downside we have seen. If the price fall below this level, we can see a further downfall. So you have to keep trailing your SL as soon as the price started going below a level of 37.46. And if the price started going below 37.02, you can trail again. Okay, so once the price fall below this level, you can trail your SL by $15 to $20. So you capture a big movement towards below a level of 3700 also. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.